So I am a huge fan of Lego. I'm also a huge fan of Dungeons and Dragons. So when Lego released the D&D minifigure set, I had to buy all of them. So I have the whole collection in this nice little display case, and I decided I'm going to make some vinyl to put on the back for kind of a nice scene. So using ChatGPT and some other tools to modify the images that ChatGPT gave me, I have designed this dragon and then a couple of clerics that I will be putting on the background along with probably the words Dungeons and Dragons or something. But let me get started getting these cut and we'll see how this turns out. Okay, now I'm ready to weed my dragon. If you look, it cut pretty nicely, except it did remove the nostril on accident. It just disappeared. So I'm going to try to use from the little spine area here, there is going to be a little piece. I'm going to try to just piece that in myself. This time I have some Cricut vinyl that I cut, even though I was using my Silhouette, because I was sick of the Dollar Tree stuff. Unfortunately, black that I want for my other pieces, all I have is from the Dollar Tree, so I'll be using that. But let me get this weeded and then we will see what happens. Okay, the weeding is all done. I did take the little piece of the spine here to make the nostril, and I think it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna get some transfer tape, put it on there, and get this attached to the display case to see how it looks. Okay, I have it on my transfer tape, and I'm ready to apply it to my back of my display case. So I'll get this put on, and then we'll see how it looks, and then I'll decide if I want to do the clerics. Okay, so that is what it looks like so far. It does look pretty cool, but I definitely want something on the side, so I'm probably going to do both of my clerics I have. I might flip one so it's facing to the right, because right now they're both facing to the left. But I do think that's pretty cool looking, and I'm going to print those in black and get those cut out and weeded, and then we'll be back. Okay, my second decal is on, and I think it is looking pretty good. One more to do, and then I think I might pick up a light kit for this too, but that probably won't be part of this video because I do not have one right now. Okay, the last decal is on, and I absolutely love this. I'm going to get it reassembled and see what it looks like all together. Okay, there it is. It looks just as good as I had imagined it would. If you would like to pick up one of these cases for yourself, I'll add a link to that in the video description. That'll be an affiliate link, so I would earn commission if you buy one. But the decals, like I said, I made those myself with just generic permanent vinyl from the Dollar Tree for the black and Cricut vinyl for the red. But overall, I think it looks really awesome, and I would highly recommend making one of these.